Hey everyone, and welcome back. I want to give you an update on my channel again. I haven't been active in doing too many videos the past couple weeks or more. I've been, for one, I've been sick, and two, I said in a previous live stream feed that I just started doing this year actually, that I wanted to take a step back and try to plan for the future going forward to get ahead of the curve here. I've felt in the past, due to the great success of this channel, which is awesome, it is, but my channel grew in views and subscribers by leaps and bounds I had not dreamed of a year ago at this time, and I felt like I was always trying to play catch up here. So I want to take this winter time here and my sickness that I had this cold that was nagging me for a few weeks. I'm getting over that, but I spent that time wisely. I wasn't making videos, but I was actually doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes here that you can't see that hopefully will make an impact in the future for my future videos. For starters, equipment. I'm recording here. It's still my old camera, my old Nikon D5100, but I am recording. It's mounted to a new tripod that I bought, so I have a couple more tripods. I bought small tripods, large tripods to help facilitate filming. I've also been reevaluating my video editing software to see if I can streamline my workflow and make videos quicker, because these videos can take a really long time to actually produce. The recording is the easy part. It's the post-production that actually seems to eat up most of my time. So for those who are curious, I'm currently using the CyberLink Power Director 15 software. And so I went ahead and got the Adobe Premiere Cloud, the Creative Cloud. And I'm not a fan of this whole monthly fee for all this stuff. It's way overkill for what I needed, but I thought I'd give it a fair shake. So I've been evaluating that as well. Let's see, what else have I been doing here? Oh, and my logo here, I have a new logo, so I've been working on that for a number of weeks now, thanks to Brian over at Short Circuited Brewers. Go check him out. He's got a great channel. He actually sketched me up on paper a nice little doodle of what he thought would be a good logo for my channel, and I loved it. So I ran with it, drew it up, and now I've been spending the past week or more updating all my social media sites and intro and outro videos for my future videos, and replacing all that artwork, including new shirts. So I got a new Teespring link now with the new logo on it for a whole new line of shirts. I've been working on that. I also set up a Patreon account. I've been meaning to do that for a couple of years. I've been wishy-washy on it because I prefer the PayPal donation method, because they take a much smaller cut than the Patreon folks do. But there's a lot of Patreon people here who find it more convenient to allocate some of their funds towards me in that regard. So I finally got that going, and I started a single tier right now. I'm going to create more reward tiers for those of you who are doing Patreon later, but I'm just getting started in that as well. And I've been looking at other live streaming solutions or methods to not just live stream like with me to you like I did the past couple of times, but I wanted to create a solution where I can actually have guests on the live stream in like different little windows and actually have a conversation as well. And there's a number of options out there, and I've not been happy with any I've tried so far, and I have a few more that have been suggested to me that I'm going to still look at. So all this put together, folks, is just eating up a lot of my time. So I apologize for not doing more videos, but I think having done all this groundwork, legwork, and back-end work that you're not seeing today will pay off in the future going forward and make for a maybe more frequent, higher quality videos in the future. So now, on to the winner. What do we have here? Okay, so I did this sign giveaway, the Man Cave beer sign sponsored by mybeercozy.com, and I have a winner here, and it is Frank Ferber from Winter Garden, Florida. And he's been contacted, and he's drawn at random out of all the entries there. So he got to choose his sign. It's getting sent to him right now, and congratulations, Frank, as the winner of the sign giveaway. So I hope this was a good update for you folks, give you a little idea of what's going on with my channel. Again, I'm just trying to get ahead of the curve, prepare for the future and the growth that I think I should be getting more of this year and in years in the future. I just want to be ready and have a good base foundation to handle all this without feeling stressed and overwhelmed, trying to play catch up all the time, trying to get the videos done, cut, released, and posted. So there you go, folks. Thanks a lot. And hopefully I'll get my next video out soon. Should be a grain father video, or maybe some other stuff I've recorded. I don't know yet. Again, I'm just getting back into video editing. But if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out other videos on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe.